The MV1030 is actually holding up 3 times against conventional grades, giving much longer tool life, reducing cost per part and giving customers the cost saving on the spindle.
Today we're here to talk about indexable tooling, and who better than Wayne from Mitsubishi Materials. Wayne, welcome. Tell us more about this new MV range of indexable tooling.
Yeah, the MV grade was launched in 2010 with the MV1020. Historically, milling grades have been PVD coated. This is a CVD coated grade that we brought out for to compete against PVD coated grades with longer tool life and better edge life as well.
Yeah, and how have you seen it? Obviously, it's out in the marketplace. What sort of results are you getting?
Really good results. We're getting, as I say, longer tool life. We've got examples of where we've run the I-feed cutter in hardened steels an hour, 2 hours, and the inserts you could put back in the box.
And you've got new sort of coating technology.
Yes, it's an aluminium rich coating, so it's 70% aluminium on the coating technology, which gives it its edge strength and its properties. And
you've got, as you mentioned before, you've got a couple of the grades. So how do they fit within the range? What materials are they for?
Yeah, the 2 grades, MV1020 and MV1030. They're suitable for P, M and K material groups. The M20, MV1020 is the harder of the 2 grades. The MV1030 is more for wear resistant and edge strength.
Okay, when we look at obviously process stability in the machining process, we look about, like trying to keep the heat where it needs to be. How does the coating and the inserts help this?
The aluminium rich coating gives it its thermal ability. The conventional grade that Mitsubishi had, the VP15TF, tends to have a shorter tool life due to chipping and fractures at the cutting edge, especially when interrupted cutting.
Mm-hmm. And when we look at the range, obviously we've got a high feed and a 45 degree here, but what's in the range? What does the range look like?
These 2 grades are available for all our indexable milling cutters, so 90 degrees, 55 degrees leads, I-feed, the 45 degrees. So yeah, the full range of indexable milling cutters from Mitsubishi, we have got this grade in those inserts.
Sure. And how are customers finding the inserts? Obviously these have been out in the field, so the new grade's been out in the field a while now. What's the feedback from the customers, from yourself as an application engineer?
Really good. For instance, the I-feed cutter, I've got examples of where I've run it in EN24T, 200 meters a minute, 1.5 millimeter per tooth in load, and 0.5 mil depth of cut, 40 mil width of cut, and it has lasted 2 to 3 hours, and the inserts still look like new.
Okay, in terms of the range, how small do we go? How big do we go?
As I say, it covers the full range of inserts, so we go from the 16 mil up to the 63 mil, 80 mil even.
We're seeing a large increase in cutting tool carbide costs across the range. Everyone wants to talk about tool life, edge preparations, etc. How do these measure up against the rest of industry?
These are really good. We're finding in actual machining applications, the MV1030 is actually holding up 3 times against conventional grades, giving much longer tool life, reducing cost per part and giving customers the cost saving on the spindle.
So a very vast range. So for the people watching at home, how do they find out more if they want to try one of these milling cutters, maybe speak with an application or a sales engineer?
Yeah, speak to the office. They'll put you in touch with the right people within your area, either sales engineer or the applications engineer. We can come out, we can run the demos and prove the products on your own machines and your own materials.
Great, thank you very much, Wayne, and thank you for watching.